Let's see what do we have here as our star. Wow, look at that. Wish coming true. Lahat tayo may mga wish, 'di ba? But I think it is related to your love life. Yeah, that's really standing out. May wish na matutupad kayo dito regarding your love life. Whether you're looking for love or not looking for love, I do see that there's love being pointed dito sa inyong life, and I think you are about to receive this. You are about to experience this, and I think this is something here great for you guys. Wow. Let's see what's going on here. See. This connection will bring balance in your life. But for some reason, I do see na paano mas magbibigay ito ng balance sa kakonek mo. Wow. At kung sino yung kakonek mo with this Queen of Pentacles energy, someone na hindi pa bago-bago yung isip, once na magdesisyon, yun na yun. And this is the energy of someone who is faithful, very faithful when it comes to love, no? At maganda ang financial niya. Let's see. May mga na-achieve na siya. May success tayo nakikita sa kanyang energy. In the aura of this person here, I think this is someone here who is very humble, mapagkumbaba, hindi mayabang, kahit na may maipagmamayabang. Let's see what do we have here for you guys. Beautiful energy. Oh, nice. Okay. This could be new love right here. I'm seeing double 11s already. Look at the number 11. And 3 plus 9, 11. Isn't it? So it looks like you are on the right path with this new love popping in here for you guys. And this is such a great, good reading, no? Unang reading natin ito dito, no? For those merong mga membership at nagpa-member dito, no? So thank you so much. So I put it here. Wow, look at that. 10 of coins. Energy. Great reading here for you guys. But before we start, let me just thank everyone. Yan. Thank you so much for being a part of this membership. Yan, no? Dahil dito, parang ito yung pag-give back ko sa inyo for being part here ng pagtulong ninyo, no? Or pagsuporta ninyo doon sa aking mga parang pagkawang gawa kind of thing, no? Giving into foundations that I support, no? So you are not just helping this community natin na mag-grow, but you're also helping me in my life's purpose here to also share blessings, no, with those people na in need. So thank you so much for being a part of this membership. So from the bottom of my heart, thank you po sa inyong lahat. So yan mga babes, no. So dito sa membership, no, meron tayo dito unlimited shoutouts kung gusto ninyo. And also, pag may mga extended reading, no, dito na rin yun ilalagay, of course, no. And, yun nga, no, walang ibang may access ng mga naka-upload dito, kundi kayo lang na mga members. So, yan mga babes, no. So, okay, we're gonna do here, no. Kumbaga parang iba kasi to, no. So, lately ko lang to actually na nakita, no, dito sa YouTube. Kahit na matagal na pala 'to dito. So, yun yung mga babes, no? So, if you want to be apart, wala naman ditong sapilitan kind of thing, no? And because you are here, ibig sabihin, you understand, no, where I'm coming from and why I'm doing this, no? So, to support and share blessings, no, with also other people. So, yeah, thank you so much. And hi and hello everyone, no? Alam niyo naman na ako si Yan. Thank you po. Welcome here, no? And yeah, I really do appreciate here. You are such a warm person and you have a big heart. Thank you for being here with me and in this purpose. Thank you so much. So here, great good reading for you guys. Lahat tayo ditong gender, ba, lalaki, LGBT, lahat kayo rito, welcome. And you can flip rose if you want, but there's definitely great new love popping here for you guys, no? So it's a wish fulfillment right here. You will be reunited here with someone, and the someone here could be different from the person here na usual mo ritong type. Maybe meron ka ritong a specific type sa isang individual or sa isang guy or isang lady na entertainin mo, no, when it comes to your love life. But definitely, there's this individual right here coming in into your life and there's new beginning right here, and this person is tuloy-tuloy na with that double number 11 that we've mentioned kanina. 1111, you are on the right path with this person, and this person here is yung Mr. Right or Miss Right mo. So nakita ko dito that you are also moving towards this person here, 1111. I do pick up that when you see the 1111, it's like apat na paa, no? Apat na sulok, no, ng tahanan. So it's a home. This person, you're gonna build a home with this person here. You're gonna start a family with this person here. And for some reason, after meeting each other with the two of coins energy and there's this king of cups, this person right here will definitely do not hesitate to let you in. Alam mo, nakita ko dito, no? Na itong tao na 'to, no, marami nang nagtangka na makapasok sa puso nitong tao na 'to, makapasok sa buhay nitong tao na 'to, no, pero wala siyang in-entertain. You are the only one na makaka-break ng kanya ritong heart wall. So in short, nakikita ka dito mga babes, so that you are that knight in shining armor, that princess in white horse. Nitong person na 'to, you are the only person na makapagtitibag ng kanya ritong heart wall. So definitely this person is gonna welcome you in his or her life, and take note, without hesitation. So I do see that this person right here is someone who is looking for love, no? And then yun na nga, no, nakilala ka ng taong ito. No? This person here will do everything here for you guys, and I do see that this person here is different from your ideal type. No, kung meron kayong ideal type pagdating sa isang future spouse or future husband right here, but definitely this is your total all in all overall package individual, a very good looking individual coming your way, and this person will be having this great love for you. Yeah, this person's a little bit shy. There's also a little jealous sa kanya ritong energy, but definitely this person here, hindi siya yung seloso na makakaapekto na lagi kayo mag-aaway or whatever, na like, no, hindi. So this person here is someone na seloso siya, but in a cute way, I like that, no? This person here is mature enough, pero yung expressing of love niya rito, may mga galawan siya rito na parang mapapangiti ka na lang, no? Kasi ang cute, parang nagbabalik yung mga teenage days mo, no? And this person here will, you know, make your heart here beat, no, faster. Okay? So, whoever this individual is, I'm seeing marriage, and this person will protect your marriage right here. This person will protect your home, will protect you and your children right here. So, whatever the case may be, this person here will be your home, will be that haligi of tahanan, will be that ilaw ng tahanan right here. So, wala tayo ditong gender. Pero nakikita ko dito, no, na this person here, I'm seeing red carpet right here. So, ibig sabihin, itatrato ka niya rito na parang VIP, yan, no, or SVIP, meaning, it feels like you're walking on that red carpet. This person will let you walk on that red carpet, meaning he or she is willing to give you everything, the life, the luxury that you want. Why? Because he or she is capable of doing that. No? Because this person here is someone who is successful, a wish fulfillment. This person you've manifested, this person here, even though he or she is far from you, like galing siya sa malayong lugar, ibang country, whatever. This person here is your true match. You call into this person right here. This is your true soulmate, and this person here is coming in into your life. You're pulling this person's heartstring, no? That red string na nagdudugtong sa inyong dalawa, no? Sa inyong pinky swear, no? I do see that this person here is someone who is successful. Meron siya ritong maipagmamalaki, success sa kanyang trabaho, permanenteng pinagkukunan rito, no, ng money. Could be owning a business while working in a company. This person here is holding that title, higher designation sa work, pwedeng CEO, business owner, or someone here na managerial position, someone who has authority and with high honor. But this person here is very humble, and you could probably meet this person right here out of the blue, like you do not expect this person here to meet, and then you're gonna cross paths with this person here, and you do not know na siya na pala yung person na nakatakda for you. You could be meeting this person here in one of your travels, whether that's business travel or vacation travel right here. But I do see that when you start talking, you will feel something soulful about this person. Six of Cups energy. There could be strong past life connection here. Maybe you've encountered this person here in one of your past lives, but with the Six of Cups energy, I do see that this person here is someone na kumukonect sa'yo hanggang dun sa kaibuturan ng iyong heart. And for some reason, this is a new guy. This is a new lady, a new woman, a new guy coming in into your life with the Ace of Cups energy. Look at that. Overflowing, very calming water, no? Ang lumalabas sa chalice of love, no? Na may drawing pa talagang puso dito, and this is so intense. This person here is so gentle, and I do see that this person here appears to be your wish fulfillment, no? Alam mo, this person here, hindi niya alam kung ano yung magpapakumpleto sa kanya up until maramdaman niya yung fulfilled siya. At kailan yon? Pagtapos kanyang makilala. When you say fulfilled, what does that mean? It only means that when one feels fulfilled, wala na siyang hahanapin pang iba. This person here with the hermit energy search for someone na magpapakumpleto, or that's something na magpe-fill up ng void sa buhay niya, but there's none. You are the only one na nakasurpass doon sa heart wall niya, no? And nabarag mo yon ng walang kahirap-hirap, because you show this person here your true self. You show this person here who you are, especially when you are in love. You are transparent, and this person is seeing see-through or crystal clear in you. So, alam niya rito at ramdam niya na nagpapakatotoo ka rito na pagdating sa emotions and feelings ninyo. Maybe you have a lot of differences right here, because I'm seeing someone here na posibleng galing sa ibang lugar, ibang bansa pa nga dito, iba naman doesn't have to be. Pero nakita ko na marami kayong pagkakaiba, pero hindi yun makakahadlang dito. Ten of Coins energy, this person here, posibleng may malaki siyang family, or sabihin na natin, doesn't have to be na malaki yung pamilya nila, pero kasi siya ito na may big heart para sa mga loved ones niya. Kaya kahit yung mga kamag-anak, treated as parang part of ng biological family niya. You know what I mean? Okay? So, this person here, parang may blended family siya. Tinuturing niya rin family yung mga parents na kanya rito, mga friends, no? So, ganun ko nakikita ito. So, yeah, if you're happen na parang may naririnig ko yung ingay sa akin background, no? I'm sorry about that noise, okay? So, just please bear with me and just focus sa ating reading. So this person is willing to conquer everything, and this person here wants marriage with you. This person feels more balanced ang kanyang buhay after kanyang ma-meet at makilala. This person right here, yeah, unti-unti siya rito nang papalapit sa'yo. Pero ikaw lang talaga yung taong gusto niya rito na pag-investan ng oras, no? Parang pag ikaw yung kausap niya, feeling niya hindi sayang yung oras niya. Parang worth it lagi yun, no? So, hindi ko alam kung bakit ganyan nararamdaman niya, no? Kasi marami na rin dito talaga, oh. Marami na rin talaga rito kumunik sa kanya rito, pero wala talagang nakapasok sa puso niya. Wala talagang nakapasok sa puso niya rito. Kahit yung iba nag-effort na talaga ng bonggisyos, like bonggang-bongga, wala talaga. Okay? Pero ikaw, for some reason, effortlessly. Oo, effortlessly, Two of Pentacles in reverse, no? Nabarag mo yung makapal na heart wall niya at nakapasok ka dun. Nakalusot ka dun, no? At nakikita ko na ipapahayag nitong tao na to, no? Ang pagkaseryoso niya sa pag-dive dito sa connection na to here with you guys. For others of you, this could be a lawyer or someone who knows the law, politics, economics, but doesn't have to be. Maybe mahilig lang siya dyan, pero hindi yan yung profession niya. Just take how this resonates. But this person here feels a little more balanced here para sa inyo. So, energies, no, are really consistent dito sa tao na to. Yung aura niya is giving me that light vibe of energy, and this person here is so focused in maintaining his or her properties, no, na maayos ang pagkaka ah, pagkaka-organize, no, ng properties niya, ng money niya, no. So, you're dealing here with someone na mature, especially sa kanyang pag-handle ng financial. So, I think this person here, wala siya ditong pinagpupukusan ngayon or habang hindi pa kayo nagkikita, no, kundi yung pera niya. Okay? This person here is giving so much effort and time sa kanya ritong pag-grow ng finances because siya ito, no, na dito niya na lang parang nilalaan yung oras niya kasi dito siya rito mas may interest kaysa makipag-deal dun sa mga tao na hindi niya feel. Hindi niya talaga feel yung mga tao kahit na parang nagiging genuine yung mga yun sa kanya. Alam mo kasi ganito yun eh. Hindi mo talaga mararamdaman at hindi ka talaga kukonek no laging tatagos at sasablay dito yung connection lalo na pag hindi kayo parehas na nararamdaman. Kaya kahit nagpapakatotoo rin yung ibang mga other girls or other boys sa kanya, no, patay ditong gender, no, wala. Hindi sila makakonek talaga. Ikaw lang ang tanging nakakonek sa kanyang heart space. At alam mo kasi parang medyo may duda rin siya when it comes to love. Siguro minsan na siya nasaktan when it comes to love. Pero ikaw, nabarag mo, no? Parang, alam mo yun, no, ang lakas ng pagkabarag mo dun sa heart wall niya rito. Para kang naghagis dito ng, ano eh, no? Ng malakas na, anong tawag nito? Ray gun eh. Ghost fighter, no? Malakas na Reagan, eh, no? Ni Eugene, eh, no? Ghost fighter para dyan sa mga batang 90s. So, yun nga mga babes, no? Yan. Okay? Para ka ritong, alam mo yon walang ka-effort-effort na nakapasok ka rito sa puso niya. Yung iba, hirap na hirap nakapasok sa buhay niya, eh, lalo na sa puso niya. Tapos ikaw, eh, for some reason, di rin niya maipaliwanag, no? Nabarag mo dito yung heart wall niya. Wow! So, beautiful! A new guy right here is coming towards you and I'm seeing a lot of letters right here na maaaring maging initials niya dito and also numbers that you might want to jot down or remember. So, I'm seeing letters P, letter S, letter D, letter A, and letter U. Yan, no? But I was about to say W for some reason. Okay? So, just take how this resonates. Maybe that's the initial of the person you're dealing with or itong person na ito or baka sa inyo. And also, I'm seeing numbers right here. 1, 4, 7, and 11. So, yeah, you might want to check that out and jot it down or try to remember this. But this person will let you walk on that red carpet, will treat you as someone very, very special. So, Wow, these are all the messages we've got right here for you, and this is a great start for us here, babe. Muli, thank you po sa inyong pagsuporta and love and light for all of you guys. Thank you. I'm Yan and sarangayo, love and light. Annyeong.